So, circumference and area circles. We're pretty familiar with circumference, right?
Yes.
What is the circumference? Define it.
Distance around a circle.
Yeah, and we're familiar with these formulas too, right?
Yep.
Like we just did them like 2 seconds ago, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna find the circumference of this circle.
Okay.
What are we gonna fill in here? C equals.
C equals
C equals
3.
3 times 8.
And what's that?
12. 24.
That's pretty simple, right? And then this one, what's our formula to give them the radius?
C equals
2 pi r.
2 pi r.
C equals
2 pi r.
C equals,
2, 3, 8. No, 7.
7.
what's 6 times 7?
42.
42.
So we're good there, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody happy with circumference?
Mm-hmm.
Same page.
Oh, is this a new one?
Area. The area of a circle. What does area mean? Inside, like if you paint it, right? And it's not just a circle, you find the area of squares and rectangles and all that. You already know how to do that, right? Circles are what's new. Formula is different. I wrote it right there, and then I put quotes down beside it. How do you say it?
Pi r squared.
Pi r squared. That is not a 2. Repeat after me, that is not a 2.
Not a 2.
Squared.
Oh.
Squared. It is not a 2. So do not tell me when I say what's the formula for the area of a circle, A equals pi r2, because that's wrong. What does it equal? A equals pi r squared. What does squared mean?
It times itself.
It's also called an
Oh, exponent.
exponent. Yes, remember exponents?
Mm-hmm.
So if I have 3 squared, what's the answer?
9.
9. It's not 6, right?
Yep.
If I have 7 squared, what's the answer?
49.
All right, we're good, right?
Yep.
So, next thing, area equals pi r squared. You can even practice writing it if you want. Pi r squared. Okay? What do you notice about this formula?
It has an A in the front of it. Already.
Radius.
Do you see a D in there?
No.
Do you see another formula that uses the diameter?
No.
You do? Or you don't?
No,
Guess why there's not one?
because it's not asking for
Because
it.
there's not one. Okay? So write this down. Always uses
Oh, I
radius.
thought that was like a slash mark.
Always uses, I'm sorry, there. Always uses radius. Do you think down the line, or maybe here in the next minute or so, you're gonna get a circle with a diameter
Nope.
and ask for the area?
Yes,
Yes.
you just divide it by 2.
So what are you gonna do when that happens, since you can't use diameter?
Divide it by 2.
Just divide it by 2, okay? They're gonna give you a circle with a diameter. And then they're gonna say, what's the area? And then you're gonna say, uh-oh, I have to what?
Divide it by 2.
Always use radius. Always use radius. Alright?
Mm-hmm.
So let's look at example 1. Find the area of the following circle. This is, I told you the ask and give and stuff.
Mhm.
What are they asking for?
For radius. No. Yep. Area.
What do they give you?
The radius.
And this is a new one I said we're gonna add. What do you need?
You need the radius.
You need the radius. So they give it to you, nothing to think about, right? So we're gonna get area equals, what's pi? 3, what's the radius?
7.
Squared. This is still a thing. Forever. What do we do first?
Parentheses.
But there's nothing in the parentheses but a 7. You can't 7, can you?
No.
No.
So what do we do next?
Exponent.
Exponents, right? So we get 3 times
49.
49. Good, and then you get
18, 27, 46.
exponent, Angel.
147.
I don't know that.
No.
147. Give me a minute to let it sink in.
Okay.
Does everybody see what we did first?
Yeah.
Yes.
Even though those are parentheses around the 7, that means multiply. Okay, that means multiply. I like parentheses because X means it has a whole different meaning now for you. And the dot that you put in there, if you did it like this, some people may get that confused with a decimal point. So I just prefer parentheses to mean multiply. Okay, but when it's just one number in the parentheses, there's not a lot you can do, right? So you go to exponents. All right, example 2. Find the area of the following circle. What is it asking?
Asking for the area.
Area.
What does it give?
Radius.
Diameter.
No diameter.
Diameter. There you go. What do you need?
Radius.
You need the radius. Area equals pi r squared. Area equals 3 times
4.
4
Square.
squared. Why is it 4?
Because you take 8 and you divide it by 2.
Yes, this is the diameter, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we
Need the radius.
always use radius. Always. There is no diameter when it comes to area. Area equals 3 times what?
8.
No,
16.
16. Area equals
48.
48. We good? We're gonna not do the circumference on these, we're just gonna do the area. So if it helps you to mark out circumference, then you can. When you do it on your own, I'll probably make you do both. But right now, we're gonna focus on area. So our formula, I wrote on the board, it's right in front of Angel, all 3 now. C equals pi d, C equals 2 pi r, and now area equals pi r squared is in orange. It's also on your formula chart, like you will have it, you don't have to remember it. What is the formula for the area of the circle?
A equals
Pi r2. Pi r squared.
Oh, yeah. What are we gonna use for pi?
3.
3. What is the radius?
5.
5.
You say this is the diameter?
Oh, I still right. Ask you.
Oh, that's fine, you can write ASCII. I usually do that with word problems, but that's fine. It's just because y'all get ahead of yourselves and you don't pay attention. What's 5 squared?
25. 75.
And what's 3 times 25?
75.
Awesome. What do they give you here? So you're good, right? What's the formula?
Pi r squared.
2 pi r.
Area. What I write?
Oh, 3.
11.
It's not shade range. What is it? What'd you get?
363.
We good?
Yep.
Number 3.
Wait. Wouldn't we have to use 3.14? Or because you have to divide that and that'd be 12.5. But what will we use?
I'm aware.
Oh, yeah.
What is the formula for the area of a circle?
area equals pi r squared.
What?
Square.
Square.
3
Equals 3
times.
5.
No.
No.
Things just got real, didn't they? 12.5 squared is not 25. How many of you are going, man, I wish I had a calculator? How do you square 12.5? That is correct. Guess who is not going to do that?
Yeah.
That is correct.
Oh, I already did.
You are. I'm just not. I know it's somewhere around 144. How do I know that? That's right. Good. 12 times 12 is 144. So y'all work it out. Let's let everybody work it out, even though some of us are, Johnny on the spot. What is 12.5 times 12.5?
146.
156.25, I believe is correct. And now what do? You 156.25 times what?
3.
Times 3. Let's give everybody a.
Oh.
You're not stupid. Well, I know it's gonna be somewhere like around 400, 450. How do I know that?
Because if you, cause
No, how do I know it's gonna be around 450?
150 times 3 is.
Yeah, that's 15 times 3 is 45. And 150 times 3 is 450. We give everybody the opportunity to do it. Y'all are a class that actually likes to work things out, most of you. And what did we get?
168.75.
Good. Number 4, what is the formula for the area of a circle?
Area equals pi r squared.
Pi r squared. What do I put there?
Area equals
3 times
3
What is 3 squared?
9.
9.
I promise it does not hurt for you to write it down neatly. I was thoroughly impressed with most of your work, seriously. It was very neat. I liked it. The equal signs lined up. It's on your organization is half the battle. What's 3 times 9?
27.
Good. You guys are kicking booty. Good job. Number 5. This woman has done lost her mind again. Losing my mind in math class. What is the formula for the area of a circle?
A
Equals
pi
r
Pi r squared.
Aren't you glad I'm letting you use 3 for 5? What's the radius? No.
10.5.
Yeah, 10.5.
I know that 10.5 squared is somewhere around 100. How do I know that?
Is that times 10 is 100?
That's right. I'm gonna let y'all work it out though. If you get something like 20, you're wrong.
Yeah.
What's 10.5 times 10.5? 110.25? And I can do that math in my head. I bet it's 330.75. How do I do that so fast?
You just took 110 times it by 3 and you took 25 and multiplied by 3.
Good. Number 6. What's the formula for the area of a circle?
Area equals pi r squared.
This woman has for real lost her mind, hasn't she?
Mhm.
Aren't you glad I'm letting you use 3?
Yeah.
What's the radius?
5.5.
Try again.
5.5.
5.5. Read. I know that's going to be somewhere around 25. How do I know that? 5 times 5 is 25. Go ahead, do it. What'd you get?
30.
30.25? Everybody get 30.25?
Mm-hmm.
I bet I can also do that one in my head. Can y'all?
Yeah.
I'm not above doing it in your head if you can do it, right? What's 30 times 3? 90.75. Are we good?
Yes.
Yes. My teacher is awesome. So that says circumference. So we're going to change it to area. So mark out circumference and make it area.
That's 5.5 again.
What is it? Oh, it is. That's right. Never mind. How about we just have a minute off? Does that sound like a plan? You don't have homework tonight?
Yes.